Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian. This video is a little bit different. I'm just gonna make it short, sweet. I'm gonna give you a little tip, okay? Um, I'm gonna show you something that's very interesting, right? And this is something you may not be aware of, but what I've done here on my chart is I have taken the liberty to change this lower volume indicator here, okay? I changed this out for something that's a little bit more sensitive, something that's showing that's calculated a little bit different. So what does this show? This shows, now this is the accumulation distribution line, right? When it goes up, it shows accumulation. When it goes down, it shows distribution and selling. Okay? So this is where the price was before. We were rejected, we came down, and there's a lot of strong selling. Now there's a couple of interesting, there's three things to notice, okay? Actually four things to notice. Number one, we came down here, we have wicks and lines on the bottom of these candlesticks. That's number one. Number two, they're turning yellow, which is a early sign of a possible reversal, okay? Number three is really interesting is this. Look at this AD line, accumulation distribution line showing accumulation. But wait a minute. Why is it showing accumulation? The price is going down, right? Yes, the price is going down. But there is secret or hidden, I wouldn't say secret, I'd just say hidden, right? Accumulation. Now, what's important to know is yes, this can change. It could dump. But also at the same time, if this stays steadily going up, this shows you that someone is buying at these low prices, right? These extreme prices, extreme support areas on the chart. So look at these wicks. We have a lot of red. These wicks are high. They're long and strong, as I say. They're much larger than the other candlesticks, right? They stand out. Well, and this goes back to what I was telling you before. We can have red candlesticks, we can have a lot of selling, but we can also have hidden purchasing, hidden buying within these candlesticks, right? Excuse me, not candlesticks, but within these volume bars. Okay. This one's obvious right here. This is buying right here. Okay. But it's not so obvious in the red ones, right? So remember when I was telling you before, I was showing you the selling climax on the chart where we had these long, very long, high, tall, red selling bars, right? Red volume bars. You have institutions and whales that can hide their buying inside these bars, right? Inside, just because they're red doesn't mean that there's no buying going on, right? Actually, there's probably a lot of buying going on. And the way to uncover that is with this accumulation distribution line. It'll actually give you a little heads up, a little early warning if there's hidden divergence, right? And that's what we call divergence. We have here the price is going down and someone's saying, well, wait a minute, I don't want to get in that. And rightfully so. You want to be careful. But at the same time, you have other players that are saying, I'm going to buy this up, right? I'm buying at this point. So it's important to understand what you're looking at. It's important to understand what tools to use. See? And now when you go to different time frames, you may not see that. Actually, I'm thinking about buying this, but I'm going to wait a little bit. I want to see if there's a selling impulse and to see if whoever's buying this, to see if they actually sell it. But nonetheless, when we go to a different time frame, you'll see that even this indicator, even the indicator will show only this very tip, this very end here that's starting to move up, right? And that coincides with this candlestick, right? So when you go to lower time frames, see, it's still down. A little bit of a tick up. It's starting to move up now. That's even on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 30 minutes. There you go. So price is going down, and only now you see this wick at this last candlestick. Well, but your AD line has been showing you that there's buying coming in way before it's been going up. It bottomed out here, right here, okay, which coincides with this candle right here, right? So there's been buying from this point all the way down. Okay, so this goes to show you that this is, someone or some group or some people believe that this is an accumulation zone, a place to buy, right? So now you see the RSI starting to turn around, but look, your AD line has already made a higher low, and now you've got a yellow candlestick that's giving you a heads up that there may be. It's an early warning that there may be, it's not set in stone, it's not always accurate, but there may be some type of a reversal happening, right? So I just wanted to put that out there, friends. I wanted you to be aware. This is why it's important to use the right indicators. That's why it's important to use, to have experience and to use the right indicators at the right time to see what's going on. Could it go lower? Yes, it can go lower. I'm not saying that it can't. Can this support fail? Yes, it can, because whoever's buying here, may sell as well. However, we don't see evidence of that right now, and this could be institutions or whales, that kind of thing. So the AD line is a tool that was created and is used specifically for this purpose, to see early warning signs, divergences, hidden purchasing, which may give you a heads up that a reverse in trend may be coming, and then you can watch for it. And so when it does take place, when it does happen, if you so choose, you can take a position and try to capitalize on the reversal or on a bounce or a pump or whatever. So just wanted you to be aware, my friends. All of this looks pretty ugly, right? But when you look down here, it's actually a different story. There is some buying going on. So just wanted to put that out there, friends. I appreciate your time. It's just a quick video. Just want to put that out there. Kind of a tip. If you're an investor and you're not really concerned about charts or TA, that's fine. But if you're interested in TA and charting, well, then this may be of value to you. So again, do your own research, make your own investment decisions. I'm not an investment advisor. I can't give you advice on what to buy, when to buy, how to buy. However, I think it's a useful tool. If you want to learn more, Investopedia has information about indicators and candlesticks and all kinds of charting tools. And so if you want to learn more, you can explore candlesticks and indicators, and especially the AC line, the AD line, accumulation distribution. That's what it's for. It's an acronym for accumulation distribution. Thank you for your time, friends. Like I said, I'm not worried. I'm just waiting for this buying to hold, waiting for buying to come in, waiting for support, adequate support to take a position, possibly. We'll just have to wait and see. I'm just paying attention. And again, tomorrow's Friday. I may not take a position right now because it may be flat through tomorrow anyway, and we may not see anything until the weekend. But I always think it's interesting to see, what you can see on the chart and what it tells you, and put together evidence to support a story. So thanks. Take care. Be safe.